Mr. Man. Na 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 na.
Karibuni, you're welcome to Musembi Kinanie farm. This is the place that we are trying to do environment upgrading. We are fighting the climate change. You've heard about climate change. We want to change the climate. And we can only do that by planting a lot of trees. That's what we are doing today. So you will see.
Nakiri kwengine sitajatamani. Baby, I want your love tonight. Usichoke leo, sina mami, vumilia tutapata. Na nikimeke baby, I'ma promise nitakupa heaven on earth. You were nawe baby na furaha. Umenifanya.
Good morning. When the COVID-19 lockdown was declared, we also came up with a COVID-19 tree nursery and landscaping environment activity here at Kinanie farm, Musembi Kinanie farm. You can see this is a pomegranate. This is a Tokomo star. Then we go down here. You have this is a macadamia tree. This is, we call it evai in Kikamba, evai, some sort of evai. This is a cactus here again. This is another evai with you. We have another Tokomo star here. Then we have all kinds of flowers. We have this is a finger palm tree. That's a purple tree. It's a very nice purple flowers. Here is a jacaranda tree. You can see like this. We have a lot of other flowers here. This is what we call hibiscus flower. This is what we call what do you call this? Vicus benjamina. That's a Vicus benjamina. And then on this side you'll see a lot of these are what you call the umbrella trees. This is also another palm, another sort of palm. This is the one they use in the Catholic Church, the Palm Sunday palm tree. It's growing up. Then we have more vicas here. We have a lot of sisal, all kinds of sisal for decoration. We also have this red flower. I don't know its name, but it's a very, very good flower. We have also these ones. These are ground covers. We go inside. I'll show you some more. We are also we take people for a tour. The farm and nursery tour entrance fee is Kenya shillings 200. It's refundable after you purchase, and then there's a free entry for buyers. We go inside now. We start seeing the palm trees. They are being germinated down here. Those are palm trees being germinated with the sisal trees. You come here, you see these are very good flowers. We put them in on the gates and everywhere. These are very common flower. It's all over. We have a lot of this area is very good with acacia tree. This is a very good acacia tree. We have these are good ground covers. These are very, very, very good flower. I can't remember its name. I am not very good at the names at the moment because we are still learning. We are in the process of starting this nursery. Like I told you, it started with the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. When we were locked down, we had no other to do. And since we used to buy a lot of trees, we decided to come and germinate our own. You can see all these are my germinated here within the year. These are what you call the casuarina tree or the whispering palm. There's the whispering palm. Then you have also these ones here. These are cypress trees. We have plenty of them, cypress trees here. Then from the cypress tree, we'll go to the other side. On the other side, you will see some rose flowers. We are trying to propagate. A lot of flowers here, a lot of flowers here. All sorts of flowers are here. All sorts of flowers. Those are flowers. We have the bougainvillea, all types of bougainvillea here, all types of bougainvillea germinating. We have the, like I say, the gruvarea flowers. These are some of the flowers that we put on, around the houses. The macadamia tree, we have a lot of macadamia tree here. We put a lot of macadamia tree down there. We've got plenty of more gruvarea there, more gruvarea. We have the Tocomo star. We have the red sweet potato, red sweet potato. We have the other flowers there. You can also see more casuarina there. We also have what you call this tree is very, very, very popular. We used to call it the South African, but it's called the Camandulaceae. Camandulaceae. Camandulaceae is a very Eucalyptus camandulaceae. This is the Eucalyptus camandulaceae. Eucalyptus camandulaceae. You have a lot of the crotons here. We have the croton here. Croton is here. We have croton here. We have croton there. That's another croton. All this area. Then we are also doing more of these. We have more of these. What do you call bougainvillea? And then this is the thorny tree. The one that was put on the head of Jesus Christ. Huh? You remember the head when he was being crucified. This is a very thorny tree. And then we have what we call the pomegranate here. Pomegranate here. You can see them pomegranate. They're very nice and they're coming out well. That's one of them. We have many here. We are germinating them. A lot of umbrella. There's a lot of ground cover here. A lot of ground cover. This is a snake. We have also a lot of these. These are very good succulents. We have a lot of succulents here. These are succulents. More Tocomo star and a lot of umbrellas there. Then we go up here. This is called in Kitui Mosukulu. It's some Mosukulu. It's a very good tree. It grows on dry land. We call it in Kikamba. It's called what is it? I can't remember now, but I'll remember in a minute. We have the red one and the green one. I want to show you the red one. By the time we get to the red one, I'll have remembered. Oh, these are very good. This is a Lucina. Very good tree. Lucina tree. Good for, it's a fodder. It's used, we give it to goats and sheep and goats. It also, even cows take it. A very good fodder. It's got very good trees. It grows to a big tree. You can also use it as an edge. It's a very, very, very good tree. These are red flowers here. Don't remember their name, but they are very, very good. Not very popular at the moment, but they are getting popular by the day. Even these ones. Oh, here is the birds of paradise. Birds of paradise. The snake is there. I don't remember. I think this is a white one. It's called the. The name is running off. I will remember with a minute. More palm trees here. Palm trees. We have a lot of casuarina. You can see. Casuarina is very, very good because it's drought resistant. It grows on dry land. Semi-arid areas. It's very good for semi-arid areas, arid and semi-arid areas, especially semi-arid. We are going to see more here. Seeing flowers here. This is a grass. This is just grass for the fodder. We have a lot of ground cover here. You can see the ground cover here. All this is ground cover. Hmm. Okay. These are crawlers. Crawlers, this one. These are crawlers. Uh, These are very good trees. Types of more acacia. You can see we have a lot of acacia. If you look, acacia is our main tree here. Acacia is our main tree, and then we have a lot of kai apple for fencing edges. For fencing edges, that's the money plant. You can see the money plant is here. We have the money plant there. There's another money plant here coming up. There's another money plant here. You can see it's germinating very well, coming up very well. We have plenty of flowers here. You can see some more flowers here. Some more flowers here. Some more flowers here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's nice. Look at that. Oh, these are crawling flowers. These are crawlers. These are crawlers. And you know, they are indoor plants. These are indoor plants. These you can put them indoors. You can put them in the pots. We'll see the pots later, but these you can put them in the pots, and they are very, very, very nice in the house. Then this is the Queen of the Night. This is the Queen of the Night. We'll see more of it out there. This is the Queen of the Night. It's a very nice flower. Queen of the Night is very interesting because you can only hear it smell at night. During the day you can't hear, and it chases away mosquitoes. The Queen of the Night is a very, very good flower. Here we see Michael. Michael is doing a lot of, he's transferring seeds. These are what you call the bottle brush seeds. This is a red bottle brush. He's germinated. They have germinated. He's transferring them from the nursery into the tubers, those small tubers. Then from there, then they'll go to the bigger pepper. But those are what you call in Kizungu we call them the bottle brush. The bottle brush. That's a macadamia grown. That's a macadamia. That's a macadamia now. It's a grown one. That's a macadamia tree. It's a macadamia. You see, we have got some pawpaws. We are doing pawpaws. You can see we're doing pawpaws. All those are nurseries. The nurseries. If you come down here, you'll see a lot of. Michael, what do you call this one? I'm forgetting the name. This one.
I don't know.
Oh, you can't remember. Oh, we have mangoes here. Let's see mangoes. The jacaranda trees. Look at the jacarandas. There's jacaranda. Jacaranda. The jacaranda. We have mangoes. Mango trees are very good for this zone. Mango trees. Then we have the red, like I told you, the red sweet potatoes. We some managu. When you feel hungry, you can eat some managu. We have the collards, sukuma wiki. We have a lot of that. Yeah. You see sukuma wiki there. So we are doing that. Then the beehives. If you look at the beehives, we have the beehives here. Basically, and all these are trees. And we have also the trees grown here. We have all the trees are spread out here. You can see them here. Yeah, that is what I call the cypress tree, the casuarina, the guveria, croton, the beehive there. There's a lot of bees. If you see there are bees.
Yeah.
We are already making honey here. We want to have an apiary at the end of the day. We will have an apiary at the end of the day. We have water for them here. We got water. This is muarubaini. Muarubaini. We have a lot of them. Muarubaini. The muarubaini tree. We haven't started germinating them here, but these are the ones that were in the shamba before. And muarubaini is very good. They say it heals 40 types of diseases. That's why it's called muarubaini. Muarubaini means 40 in Kiswahili. Like I say, this is the eucalyptus camandulaceae here. We are doing it here. We want to see what will happen with it. It is going to do very well because it's supposed to be for dry land. The camandulaceae, we have more hives here. Here is water. We have got water ponds for the bees, and also to store some water when it gets very dry. When you can't get enough water, we store it there. Yeah. At a big trench, we want to do some bananas there. We just use it, but we are kindly stopped. Here you have a lot of guavas here. Guavas, oranges. These are oranges. These are guavas, oranges. This is Tocomo star. We also have what we call Pastecia. This is Pastecia. Pastecia. This is Pastecia. Pastecia, it's a good tree, Pastecia. These are all the Pastecias, the guavas. You have Alcaria, you see. Alcaria is coming out, these ones. These ones are very nice. This one, Alcaria. There, Alcarias. They are very, very good. They shape like umbrellas. We have some flowers here. This is the Zambarao, the purple berries. Grow very big trees. We call it Zambarao in Kiswahili, Kisambalao in Kikamba. Then we have these rose. Very nice. You can make tea with it. You can even spice it food with it. It's called the rosemary. It's also used for decoration. The rosemary. We have the rosemary. We have all kinds of flowers here. All kinds of flowers. I can't remember their names. Some of these names have just come to my attention. It came to my attention just the other day. I never used to do flowers. I used to concentrate on the acacia trees because acacias are very good for honey. Because my purpose here is to have an apiary culture. We want to do what is called an apiculture because that is a good area of Japonica. That's the Japonica. You can see that's the Japonica. It's a very good tree. We have plenty of them. That's the Japonica. We have a lot of Japonica. Yeah, Mukengeta. That is the Mukengeta. We couldn't remember the name. That's the red Mukengeta. This one. We call it Mukengeta in Kikamba. It's the red one. The one I said Mosukulu earlier. Mosukulu is they call it in Kitui, but that's the name. Because in every school in Kitui you'll find that tree because it's dry. It resists dryness. You know, it can grow in dry areas. This is it's a very good flower. It's a tree. It sheds yellow flowers. We call it. I will also remember again later. Not by the time you get to your big ones, I think I will have remembered, or somebody will remind me. Like I've been reminded of Mukengeta. So this is what we see. Let's go to the flower section a bit and talk to John. John does a lot of landscaping with Michael. Michael is the one who's doing the landscaping outside, and he's very, 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 very crafty when it comes to landscaping. So he can do a lot of landscaping for us. You can see now he's watering the transplanted bottle grass. Those are the bottles. You can imagine it. Spinach and nobody to eat. We didn't have enough people here. So now we are using the space to do something else. You see, we still have. I want you to show them the purples. The purples. We are still doing the purples. We are doing the purples. John, we are filming these, and we don't know. Do you know any of the name of any of these trees? Flowers. Give us any name that you can remember. I don't know. Whichever you can remember.
I know very few about.
Whichever you remember. Whichever you remember, just tell us what you
Aloe vera.
You have the aloe vera.
This one, which I can
You have
remember.
the aloe vera.
Then we have humble.
The succulent. Oh, show him the humble, yeah. Show him the humble flower. The humble flower is very good. The humble flower. The humble flower.
These are humble flowers.
Humble flower. And then all the other flowers. Yeah, the crawlers.
Yeah. These are creepers.
Those are creepers, young creepers. Those are creepers, creepers.
Now these are succulents. These are creepers also.
Yeah. So in the succulents.
Yeah. Succulents are these.
In the succulents. All types of succulents are there. Showing the succulents, okay.
This is a flower.
Succulents.
Yeah.
Succulents.
This is
Oh, and this is a carnation flower.
Yeah.
We are trying to do. This is a carnation flower, this one. The carnation. That's a carnation. We are germinating it. That's a carnation. Friend of ours, Michael. What's your name again? Mainge. Stanley. Daniel Mainge. Daniel Mainge is getting out the stems. These are the big trees that we have cut down now. We are getting out the stem. We plant up more flowers here, our trees. So we do that. Now we have started the landscaping area. You can see. More Washington. This is a big Washington palm. That's the Alcaria. Not Alcaria. The Orienta. I told you the Orienta. It's the same one with the yellow flowers there. This is the Orienta before it starts getting. It's going to start getting the flowers. This is Orienta. We have this is the Zimbabwe grass. We are doing Zimbabwe grass here. This is the Zimbabwe grass. You can see all these are flowers for landscaping. All these are flowers. These are creepers. What we call that. These are succulents. You can see them. I want you to take a good shot of them. These are all succulents. We will use them. The succulents we will use them for flowering. Those are the pots I was talking about earlier. You can see it's a very, very, very good flower. Also, this one also creates a mosquito. It has got a nice end. Wow. Now, look at that. Yes. Kiava. That's just a normal size.
Mami vumilia tutapata. Na nikimeke baby ama promise nitakupa heaven on earth. Na moyo wangu shauku za penyewe. Umenifanya roju.
These are the pots we're going to put them in. Oh yeah, the birds of paradise. You remember we talked about the bird of paradise? Yes. Now these are the flower now. This is the bird of paradise. You see it now. You know? The bird of paradise. The bird of paradise. Bird of paradise. These are just these are bamboo. Shooting bamboo. These are bird of paradise. That's the Orientals. Orientals, we will fence it out with the Orientals. Bird of paradise. And this is a golden palm. This is a golden palm. You see, it's a gold colors. It's a golden palm. It's a golden palm. All these are succulents. Succulents. You can put them on the tree for decoration. Some guava here. Like I told you, this is Japonica. Japonica is a good flower. That's another golden palm there. You can pick from the farm. That's the golden palm. Then you go this side, you see a lot of cuckoo. We are more organic. We use a lot of organic manure. We use organic manure from the sheep and goat shed here. You can see that's where we get our manure from. We put sheep and goat there. Sheep and goat. can see the manure. That's how we get our manure. Very nice manure. Very nice manure. Very nice manure. Oh, the chicken are here. We also use chicken manure here. Chicken manure here. A lot of chicken manure here. Chicken manure from here. There's a chicken there. We have a lot of chicken. Chicken. You see the eggs there? That's the one that's laying eggs. You can see the eggs there. Then there's one that's on the eggs. Look at that one down there on the left. On the left. There's a rabbit there. There's one rabbit there. You can picture it. You're going to see more rabbits, but there's one there. See the rabbits there? The rabbits there. We use their urine for fertilizer and pesticides. We use their urine for fertilizer and pesticides. The urine is very, very useful. Those are the rabbits. More rabbits there. Plenty of rabbits. Wow, there they are. More rabbits. Wow, more rabbits. These are small ones. More rabbits there. More rabbits. And then you can see the turkey there. Picture the turkey. That's the turkey. The male one. Let it turn around. Let it turn around. Wow, let it go, let it go, let it go. Just let that, wow. You see, turn it around. Let's go this side. These are the bees. See the geese, eh? And those are the ducks. Did you see the ducks? The difference between the geese and the ducks. We have the ducks in there. The three of them, and these are the geese. These are the geese. These are the geese. These are the geese. Here you are. Look at those tiny things here. Can you see them? Those are the rabbits they've just produced. Can you see them? Take them. Those small ones there. Those are small ones. Those I think 4 days old. Those are just 4 days old. Now this is what else. You see, when they urinate, the urine comes here. That's the urine, and you mix 1 liter to 20 liters of water, and it's good fertilizer. 1 liter to 20. Here's a local one. Here's a local rabbit. The ones that you have shown earlier, those are what you call the California white. These are local ones. These are local ones. Local ones. Look at the turkeys now. Look at the turkeys. Look at the male and the female. The female is the one in the front. Good. That's the cow shed. You also get manure from there. The cow shed. There is one more animal I want to eat. There is, look at more water. And more ice. This will be the promenade. This will be the promenade. This will be the promenade. That's why we are going to do the Vickers Benjamin on this side. Vickers Benjamin on this side. Then it's followed by the finger palms. You see, it's going to be the promenade here. You can come and do wedding parties and all that. But we are waiting for the trees to grow. But this will be the promenade. Promenade. I'm looking for my eagle. Where is it? Where did it? We want to capture it. It's the one that there is. We don't let it go out of the compound. Yeah, because it's for breeding purposes. It's our breeding. We are walking along the promenade. We are walking along the promenade. If you can see, you can capture these on the side. You know, when they grow up, this will be, they will be steady. They will grow up and be steady. Because that's the one tree. And then there's a donkey, it's for the water. It goes for the water from the river. The Athi river is just around the corner. So it goes for the water. That's the eagle. I think it's a Toggen bird. It's a Toggen bird from Copenhagen. Mutui, yakwete yani. The Toggen bird. The nail. Neza nagu.
Na 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 na.
Always been doing trees, planting trees, buying trees.
This flower is called
to make my
Septopela.
compound green.
It's a
And I've
very
always
nice
wanted
flower.
to
It has a
keep
very
bees.
nice scent.
So when
you do like
COVID-19
this.
came,
And
I
it's
said,
good for
why
them
should
to
I be
finish.
buying trees when I can germinate them here? So I started a tree nursery and our flowers. Then this Mzee came with flowers ideas. And then we decided that now we do a apiculture activity. And this is what we are doing now.
Yeah.
So COVID was an advantage to you.
It was an advantage. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because it settled me down. Otherwise, I would have been going every morning to look for greener pastures while I'm sitting on diamond.
The whole land like this.
Yeah.
So this flower is called Septopela. It's a very nice flower. It has a very nice scent. Even when you touch it like this and you smell it, you can touch it. The smell, the scent remains in your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a very nice flower and it's not a common flower. And it's expensive. So we are trying to propagate it and expand the flower.
You know, I was thinking we should put it there. Can it go there?
Yes.
In that yellow one, the one we removed.
Yeah, we can propagate.
No, we propagate another one.
Yeah.
Because now this one can be propagated.
Yes. This one?
Maybe 1,000.
Yeah.
Oh, is that expensive?
Yeah, we have to cost also the pot.
It costs the pot together with the flower.
Yeah, 1,000 bob.
How much is the pot alone?
The pot alone would be about 400 to 600.
Oh, okay.
So the flower should be about 400 also. 500. It's say 5 and 5.
Yeah.
Because the pots are not cheap. They are clay pots.
Oh.
We get them from Wangige. From Wangige, that's where they are the kiln is. Kiln is when they put it in fire. So it's clay, and then you put it under fire to dry it. And it's a kilning, kilning, K-I-L-N, kilning. So it's not easy. Not everybody can do it. And if you do a clay pot like this and you don't kill me, then it breaks.
Sure.
Yeah, it breaks very easy. And this is very good for household, or even outside the compound or the hotel. Yeah, ideal. We see we got a lot of birds. Can you picture the birds?
Yeah.
They come all here, all the way.
The birds.
They are here. We have a lot of birds.
Yeah.
So we are going to do a bird sanctuary here eventually.
They came by themselves.
They come by themselves because of their attraction. They are attracted by the
Nature.
trees and the flowers.
Also has been,
The other one.
has been feeding them.
And I've been feeding them. You can see those.
Yeah, they feed trays.
So they come and
Those are feed trays.
Yeah.
There's a feed tray. Here's another feed tray.
Also,
Here.
they come for
How do
water
you put
here.
food
And they come for one. Eh?
How do you put food up there? You have to
So you just go up. We have
Yeah.
stairs
You have
there.
some ladder.
But now we don't even have to do it anymore. This way for attracting.
Oh,
Now
they-
there's a lot of food here. But we do what we call millet and sorghum. Put a little bit.
Yeah.
Because these are the rare grains. Small grains that birds love. Sorghum, millet. They love them.
What's
Sorghum
the
and millet.
advantage here? Why do you want
Oh, they wake you up. They are happy. They are. I don't know. Look at them. Look at them. Can't you see? Look at those. Look at those ones.
them? Yeah, sure.
Is it not a beauty?
It's beautiful.
And, you see, and we say we are going to make this a viewing garden, a viewing garden, a learning garden. So when people come, hello, and this is a section. In this section we are actually doing what is called vegetable growing. We have nurseries, then we put them in the sacks. We are going to start a feeding program on this area. Churchill will be in charge. Churchill has done a lot of community health work, especially in Madare. Now he's brought his expertise on these sides. So we have allocated him the responsibility to do the vegetables. But all these are, the whole issue is to upgrade our environment. And people have got to be well fed, especially the children. So we'll start a small feeding program for the children who are not able to get food sometimes when they are not able to go. I mean, when going back to school. That's about it. Churchill, I don't know whether you want to add something on what your program is, because I don't understand 100% what feeding program means. Maybe you will be able to elaborate. Continue.
The program is a concept of food self-sufficiency, being able to grow your own food on your doorstep at a minimal cost within the shortest time possible throughout the year. Whether there is rain, whether there is no rain, whether there is money or there is no money, you have vegetable on your doorsteps. So before you can feed, you've got to have the food. That's why we've decided to start this concept where we grow vegetables on sacks and look for the ration, the maize meal and the rest, so that we can at least facilitate a feeding program where children who are vulnerable can have a meal a day or even half a meal a day. With enough vegetables, we'll be able to sustain the program in the long run. We'll be able to feed at least 300 children in this neighborhood who are vulnerable. We have registered quite a number of them. And here we have seedlings for collards. We're talking of 5,000 to 10,000 seedlings, which can be done on a 20-acre, but will be managed through sacks on doorsteps.
Mr. Man. Na 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 na. Hatimaye siku imefika, enda tinga ile gown, let me take a picture. See how you pretty mama sita, ona vile unavyo shine bila hata filter.